Most notebooks do not come with a touchscreen. But now, thanks to AirBar, you can access all the touch features built into Windows 10. Just plug it in to get touch. Use your fingers to pan around a map and zoom in on a location. Or why not rotate it to get a better view? Swipe from the left to bring up all active windows. Just tap on any window to open it. Scroll away on your favorite website and click on that interesting link. Launch apps by tapping on them. Scroll between albums. Sweep your finger to flick through your photos. And quickly zoom in and out. You can even paint using only your fingers, right on the screen. Hello. AirBar unlocks the touch features on your Windows 10 notebook.